quick unboxing of the maXpeedingrods MRX 4000 GT. So when you open the box, here's how it looks. Comes with various power cords and adapters, twist lock adapter, flip-flop converter to a RV plug, and then some things to make up cords. Has your funnel for oil, small tool kits, propane adapter, hose, the actual generator, a parallel cable, which is nice. Not a lot of generators include that. Also comes with a maXpeedingrods little bag for it. Owner's manual attached. Here's the actual generator. Not too heavy. Does not have oil in it, so make sure you put oil in it before you do anything. It does not include oil.